How to see someone's story without them seeing. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to view someone's Instagram story without them seeing you or knowing. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram, and then from here you just have to log into your account. So once you have logged in, then you are just going to have to find the story for which you want to see. And then, so let's say if I want to see the story of this first profile on my story list, what I'm going to do is open the second story right here. And once you open up the second story, you can just swipe to the left to view the first story. So if you don't completely swipe all the way here, then your view won't be counted as an actual story view. So you can just go ahead and give a sneak peek to their story like this. And that's how you easily view someone's story without them knowing. Or if you don't want this, then what you can do is go ahead and create a new profile and then view their story just like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.